What's up, YouTube? Time is 9:39. Headed to the shop. I'm about to go hit the vapes / cigar shop and pick up some cigars and a vape. Then we got to get to the shop. Let's go. Okay, so here, I remember I told you guys in the comments I would use this on a haircut. Here's the haircut. So let's see. Turn it so we can get some light up in here. But this is how this works. Just like a sponge. The harder you press, the deeper the twists. Just work it around.
It's kind of nice. We used to have to go clear off the Damascus. Now we're kind of shut up right now, and that's the 112, so we're at plus 181 now.
Well, that's pretty good breakfast, don't they?
Yeah, oh yeah, we're happy with it.
That gives you this result right here. Alright, we're at the shop, by the way. I ended up not making it to the cigar shop because I wanted to be on time for my appointment. But hopefully we'll sneak up there today or tomorrow morning. So let's get on to the next cut. For our next cut after the Savior, well, I didn't even tell you guys that some dude came in, had waves. I'll have to explain it to you guys later. But it was bad. So now we got the young boy moves.
Oh, he's saying you mess up his waves?
No, hell no.
What?
Never me.
Oh,
never me, baby. Come on.
Someone stole my.
Oh, let me see.
When I first got it, bro.
Let me see. Somebody stole you what?
I was pissed.
They stole this full center logo. Wait, let me get the ring light out of the way. Stole the center. That's funny.
I had to order one overnight.
Before. Oh, this fool Mustafa. What's up? He said he got the new Benzo too. 550 bi-turbo V8. No big deal.
Formatic.
After shot right here. Let's go. Blurry. Got everybody cheating on their barber this week.
Man.
That's funny. The young boy Jimmy said he wanted to look crispy for the birthday. So who did he come see? Me. So let's get him crispy. Alright, after shot on the boy Jimmy. Here, come over here. Hello. Ooh. Ooh. Alright. Alright, YouTube. That is the end of the day. Sorry I didn't film more. Your boy was just hella busy. But end of the day right here. I'm gonna go to my daughter's Taekwondo practice now. And then head home and edit this vlog. So, end it here. I appreciate you guys watching today. If you guys liked the video, hit the like button for you boy. Drop a comment. And if you want to join the team, hit the subscribe button if you want to. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.